Hi everybody. So we've been talking about garden, and so today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about some of those vocabulary words that we've been working on, and then we get to see some seeds. We're going to look at some roots. We're going to look at flowers. Well, one flower slash weed. And then I'm going to show you some seeds in food. So let's take a look at this picture. First we have some roots, and then we have the stem. I see leaves, and here's the flower on top. So let's take a look at some real roots. I have, there we go. Look at this. I have a dandelion, and we're gonna pull this up and look at the root, okay? Here we go. I see the roots. Here are the leaves, the stem, and then I see the flowers right here. So this is the root that was down in the dirt. I'm gonna pull up another example. This one I'm actually gonna pull out so you guys can see. Oh, it's stuck in there. Oh, look, a really long root. Look at that. And then we have the stem up here and the leaves. This one doesn't have a flower on it yet. So, do you guys remember when I planted seeds the other day? Do you remember how tiny the seeds were? Look at these little tiny seeds. They're so tiny. That's how these plants grew also. They started off as little tiny seeds, and then there was rain and sun and some wind, and then they grew into these flowers or plants. All right, so let's practice again. I see roots, stem, leaves, and the flower. All right, I'm gonna put these to the side. I'm gonna let you guys check in on the progress of the seeds that I planted the other day. Here they are. So this is day 8. And I know that I sent out a little video yesterday. You guys were able to see the 2 little sprouts on day 7. And today is day 8, like I said. Not a lot of change, but we'll keep our eye on it, okay? Do you think that these are going to have long roots too? I don't know. We'll keep our eye on it. All right, the next thing I want to do is I want to show you some food that has seeds. You guys can do this at home too. Let me just clear this dirt off just a little bit. Okay, so I brought 3 foods. I brought a cucumber, an avocado, and some cheese. I'm gonna cut this cucumber first, and let's look for some seeds. Okay, here we go. I'm cutting. I found seeds. Look at those little tiny seeds. So this cucumber started growing in the garden from a little tiny seed, and then it grew into a sprout, and then it grew this cucumber. All right, next I'm going to cut this cheese. I'm going to look for the seeds in the cheese. Cut it open. There's no seeds in the cheese. That's silly. Okay, let's cut the avocado. Let's look for a seed. I'm going to cut it open. I wonder if the seed will be little. I wonder if it'll be white. Oh my goodness. I can't wait for you to see this. There's the seed. It's brown. That's not little either. Look how big that seed is. So cucumbers have little white seeds, but the avocado has a big brown seed. And the wildflowers that I planted the other day were little tiny seeds also. So, does cheese grow in the garden? No. Do we grow cucumbers in our garden? Yes. Can you think of some other things that grow in the garden from little tiny seeds? Let me think. Maybe carrots grow in the garden. Yeah. Cauliflower and beans. Tomatoes grow in the garden. You guys, look for some seeds at your house. You could also go outside and find some flowers and show me some leaves or some roots that you find. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're practicing all your good language and you're listening at home. See you later.